Hello everyone, welcome back to Library Exam Hub. In today's video, we are going to discuss academic library. Academic library is one of the most important topics in library information. This topic is frequently asked in various competitive exams. IGNOU, BLIS and MLIS, BRAOU, UGC NET, KVS, NVS, EMRS, DSSB and various library equipment exams. At the end of this video, you will understand the different types of academic libraries, their objectives, functions, services, and important in education system. First, let's understand what an academic library is. Academic libraries are libraries established in educational institutes to support teaching, learning, research, and academic development. These libraries mainly include three types: school libraries, college libraries, and university libraries. Each of these libraries serves different uses according to their educational level. The primary objective of an academic library is to provide the right information to the right users at the right time. Right? Unlike public libraries, academic libraries mainly support the curriculum, classroom teaching, assignments, research, and self-learning. Therefore, academic libraries are considered the backbone of education institutions. School library is an integral part of school. It supports classroom teaching and develops reading habits among students from an early age. The school librarian is not only responsible for maintaining books but also participate in educational activities. For example, storytelling sessions, right? Book talks, reading competition, audio visual learning, library orientation program. These activities improve students' creativity, imagination, vocabulary, independent learning skills. Let us see the services provided by school libraries. Important services include firstly lending services where students borrow book, books for home reading. Okay. Then second reference and information services helping students to locate information. Third, guidance and advisory services where librarian recommends suitable books. Fourth, preparation of reading list according to students' interest and curriculum. Right? Then coming to fifth, providing information about current events, famous personalities, educational activities. These services encourage reading habits and improve students' academic performance. Now let us discuss college libraries. College education is different from school education because students are expected to learn independently, right? Students are expected to learn independently. Therefore, the college library plays a very important role. Its major functions include providing deeper knowledge in different subjects, preparing students for higher education, supporting competitive examinations, providing adequate reading materials, helping faculty members in teaching and research. In short, the college library acts as an academic support center where students develop research skills, analytical thinking, and self-learning abilities. Every successful college library requires five important components. Right? Firstly, good collection of books, journals, and learning resources. Secondly, the a clearly identify user community, including students, teachers, and management. Thirdly, adequate infrastructure such as building, furniture, computers, and internet facilities. Fourth, qualified professional library staff. Fifth, proper finance and budget for library development. Without these five components, an effective library services cannot be provided. Right? Major services offered by college libraries include textbook services, book lending, interlibrary loan, reading room facility, reference services, documentation services, display of newly arrived books and journals, library orientation, right? Audio visual services, bibliographic services such as photocopying. These services ensure the students and faculty have easy access to quality information whenever. Now we come to the university library. A university library is considered the heart of university because it supports every academic and research activity. Right? Its major functions include supporting teaching and learning, promoting research, generating new knowledge, publishing research findings, preserving knowledge for future generations, providing extension services to society. Because university conduct conduct advanced research, their libraries maintain vast collection of books, journals, these this this uh, these theses and dissertations, e-resources, and digital databases. A university library serves as a wide range of users. This includes undergraduate students, postgraduate students, faculty members, research scholars, postdoctoral research professors, academic administrators, external scholars with a special permission. Each group has different information needs, and the university library provides specialized services accordingly. The major area of concern for every university library includes collection development and organization of library materials, library services, professional staff, physical infrastructure, finance and budgeting. Proper management of these areas ensures smooth functioning of library. University libraries provide a wider variety of services. This includes lending services, reference services, reading room facility, reading library orientation, display of new books and journals, current awareness services, selective dissemination of information, commonly called as STI, literature searching, preparation of bibliography, fact service, digest service, date of state of art report, preparation of state of art report, document delivery services, internet-based searching, user education program, library exhibition, workshops and lectures. These services help students, teachers, and researchers obtain reliable information quickly and efficiently. Right? Thanks for watching this video. I hope now you have a clear understanding of academic library, including school library, college library, and university library. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our library exam hub. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming library site. And now, in our next lecture, we will discuss another important types of library. Until then, thank you. Happiness.